Hello fellow YouTubers, your big bell Trijosh, and welcome back to another reaction video. Today we're reacting to Wicked Signals, a siren inspired song. Oh, it's been a while, by Macabre. Subscribe to Macabre, hit the bell, like this video, and comment down below. And looky here. Yeah, you see all my siren heads, all the siren head songs so far. You're welcome. And no one suggested this video. And without talking, let's get straight into it. Make sure everything's all set up, and yeah, alright, let's go. Last time I listened was Hear the Ring by Noah McKnight. Original song by Macabre. Inspired by Trevor Henderson's creations. Alright, hey, oh. I heard the glitching thing from digital cyberbank entities. Wicked Signals. Ooh, love the beat. Hey. Ooh. I think that's the scream from Mario the Music Box Arc. I don't know. Like that. This is so great. Sorry for being so quiet. Just listen to this amazing song. The beat. Ugh. Alright. Woo.
Hey, did you hear that?
Uh oh.
Over there, that voice. That sounds like... No, it couldn't be. What are they doing out there? What's going on? Hey, are you okay? Please stop messing around. This isn't funny. Maybe we should go check on them. Wait, no. Something feels really bad about all of this. Oh, come on. They sound hurt. We have to. Hello? Are you... What the hell is... Oh my god!
Ooh. Whoa, that was so spooky. I absolutely love it. Macabre, that was the greatest Siren Head song I ever heard. Last one I heard was Hear Them Ring by Noah McKnight, but this one is definitely bad. I don't know which Siren Head is the best one, but you decide in the comments below which one it is. And I like how you go, how dark it is. I like how you go dark, and how you go completely whispering and go quiet during the song, like as you're singing. And I like how you reference to
What's
this.
going on? Hey, are you okay? Please stop messing around. This isn't funny. Maybe we should go check on them. Wait, no. Something feels really bad about all of this. Oh, come on. They sound hurt. We have to. Hello? Are you... What the hell is... Oh my god!
Oh yeah, that was so great. That was so creepy. Like how you go dark about it. It was amazing. Best Siren Head song ever. Anyway, guys, that's my reaction to Wicked Signals by Madame Macabre. Everything will be in the description below on Madame Macabre's channel. You guys check her out and subscribe to me for more future content. And bye.